Hello, it's Dozie Telbert once again, and it's good to have you back to my channel. And I can say I've missed you guys. It's been a long way out, but I'm back and I'm back full time. Okay, so in this video today, it's not going to be a very long video. It's going to be a very brief one. And if you're excited, let me know in the comment section that you're excited. Can I get some reactions in the comments? Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to show us 3 simple ways to make a proper Google search without making a mistakes. And sometimes you use keywords, I'm going to show us if this is what you're interested to know and you're not in a hurry to skip this video. I want you to stick on, and I'm going to show you the 3 ways you can do a proper Google search and get the exact result you hope to get. You see that on the search bar, this is the search bar. Here is the search bar. There are 3 search icons and 3 ways to search whatever you are looking for, either through text, or which this icon represents, this represents text, or through voice search, or through image search. So I will definitely describe and show us how this works and perfectly, so you don't need to be bothered. So you can choose between these 3 options while doing your search. So let's search a keyword and see. So boom, so it brings all related keywords, all related searches or places based on the keyword I imputed while searching. So this is me doing a keyword search type, or a word search, or a text search if I will use that word. So let's move on. Let me show you the next step on how you can do this search. We could decide to do a voice search. So let's do this voice search with what we typed and see how it works. Nearest restaurant around me. So we get an exact same result. Using the voice nearest restaurant around me. But sometimes we might know, because of variation in accent, we might speak one thing and then Google picks up another thing. Third and the last stage of this search, and this third search is through image search. Now this image search works specifically when you see an item, or you come an item, a material, or anything, and you don't know what it is called, but you have a sharp device that you use to capture it, or you downloaded the image somewhere, or you saw the image on social media. You want to get the exact name. You want to know the exact name of this product, animal, material, or whatever it may be. And another case where I use this search is maybe when I'm on some e-commerce handles or some handles, and I want to verify if this product they posted is truly their product, or is just a random download from online. So with this image search, in most cases I get the sources where this image come from. So the image we're going to use is an AI generated image. Let's see how it pops up with the result. So drag or drop image. So I will upload from a file because I have the image already installed, which you would see when I upload it for a search. So it comes, I'm going to pick this image. This is an AI generated image, so let's see what it will look like. So we see search, text, translate. Maybe I will explain all these features in my subsequent images. If you look at the right hand side of, it's giving a picture suggestion, searching, and with the different websites where these similar images are coming from. This is actually a bird. I've forgotten the name, but when I guess when we open Let's open the very first. Okay, this from free peak. This from free peak. Okay, let's open this site and know more about this bird. Let's say I'm searching for this bird. I saw the image of this bird from somewhere and I just loved it, or I snapped it with my phone or anything. Let me know more about this bird right now. Since this site is taking so much time to load, so I can go back to my search and see from the options what I should choose. Okay, so let me check this. Let me check this other site. The other site is taking so much time to load. Let me know the details of the bird. Okay, unfortunately this site is bringing us to a site that has several images, but I think I'm seeing bunting. I don't know if that was the keyword I actually used, but I think I'm seeing bunting. But this is exactly how, if I start doing other searches, this video might be longer than I planned. So but basically this is how you do these are the two ways you can do search on your using your Google, specifically especially on your Chrome device. You can do a text search through keyword search. The second would be your voice search, using your voice to give a search query or a keyword or whatever you want to get. Then the third would be an image search. Also note that this also on your Chrome browser and your mobile devices, you would see these three icons, and maybe if you are confused what they are for, today you've learned and you could use them effectively. If you enjoyed this video, I would like you to leave a comment for me in the comment section. This will encourage me to make videos like this, or if there is anything in the course of my explanation you want me to explain more on, you can let me know in the comment section. I could take up my time and then explain it in details. And you can also do more things. You can like this video. You can also share to someone to also acquire this knowledge that you've gotten today. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video.